Good morning, students. We have completed our volume 12 and now it is the volume 13 of time series data in econometrics. Myself, Dr. Ajay Bhatia from Iems Academy. Today, our journey will be in time series of two foundational model in time series. First is autoregressive model, that is also called AR model, and second is moving average model or MA model. In this, we are discussing about basics of time series data. These models are basically crucials in understanding and forecasting time dependent economic variables like GDP, inflation, interest rate, which depend basically on the time. Now, question arises, what is the time series? A time series basically is a sequence of data points collected or recorded at a successive points in a time. We can take the example like monthly inflation rate at the basis of time, quarterly GDP. You can take daily stock prices. Now we will discuss the autoregressive AR model. A variable which is autoregressive if its current value depend on the past value, means current value is dependent on the past value. Like we can take a equation yt equal to alpha plus beta yt minus 1 plus ut. Here yt is the dependent variable at a time t, and yt minus 1 is the lagged value. You can see the previous video for that. That is one period back. And ut is the error term. We can also say it is a white noise. Important question for economics students. Next is general AR, autoregressive. That is yt equal to alpha plus beta 1 yt minus 1 plus beta 2 yt minus 2 plus ut is the general equation of AR. AR model is stationary. It is the general stationary model if the roots of the characteristic equation lie outside the unit circle. If its root lie outside the unit circle, then it is a stationary. Now we will moving to moving average model, that is MA model. Here the value of yt depend on past error term, means we will see the past error term in this. So equation will be yt equal to mu plus mu t plus theta 1 mu t minus 1. Here ut is the white noise error at time t. Theta 1 is the parameter on the lagged error term. So if we talk about general MA model, then equation is yt equal to mu plus mu t plus theta 1 mu t minus 1 plus theta 2 mu t minus 2. Students, this equation is important for the MA model. So I have discussed you about the AR model and MA model. MA models is also stationary and the errors have a short-term effect. Its error have a short-term effect. So both the models AR and MA models are important models for the time series data. If we see the features of AR model or MA model, it depend on the past value of y past error term. Stationarity requirement means testing is always a stationary. It is persistence in long run memory possible. and the lag of y and theta 1 is the lag of error. These models are used in econometrics in different scenario like forecasting economic indicators. It help in understanding the shock response. Shock can be a error response. It is help in forming the basis of ARIMA and ARIMA models. Means it is the starting point of the ARIMA and MARINA model. Conclusion, we can say that AR and MR models form the foundations of the modern time series econometrics. So, student, in the next volume, we will combine this ARIMA and ARIMA models for understanding the econometrics in time series or modeling and forecasting error. So, if you like our video, please subscribe, see our previous videos, start from volume 1 to move to volume 13. We are in the process of covering entire econometrics, which is helpful for you in the period of time for the competitive papers. Students, to better understanding, you have to look the previous videos, start from 1, move and all. I am in the process of uploading another videos for the econometric series. So, thank you. And please subscribe if you like the video. Thank you very much.